Hey there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 13 and let's see the question number 1. So the question is, we need to create a Java program that focuses on implementing and extending interfaces. So today also we are going to deal with the interfaces but a little into a depth. So implement a simple interface and then create another interface which extends it. So here we are seeing inheritance inside interfaces. We need to showcase the implementation of both the interfaces inside a class. So the description is given, write a Java program with an interface containing a method and then create another interface that extends the first one, adding another method. Implement both interfaces in a class, providing functionality for both the methods. There is no particular input format, but the output must be print relevant details to showcase the successful implementation of both the interfaces in the class. So the constraints are given that there must be at least two interfaces and one extending the other. Okay, so basically today's question is dealing with inheritance and interfaces. So to make this question more interesting, we will take the analogy of the vehicle and car implementation. I'll create a Java class. So what shall we create? So let me name it as Day-13.java. It's better. And now this will be having the main method. So now I will create a class. So actually it is not a class, it is an interface. So I will create an interface named vehicle. And any vehicle will be having methods like void start and void stop. So I've created two methods in this first interface which won't have any implementations. Now I'll create another interface called car, and this interface will be extending the vehicle interface. So you also have to remember the point that class can extend class, interface can extend interface, but class can implement interface. Okay, so now I will write a few other methods. So this car will be having the start and stop by default because it is extending vehicle. And now I will write void accelerate and void, so let me name it as drive. Okay, so let me name it as brake. Brake is better. And now I will create a class called, so let me name it as Toyota, which implements the interface called car. Okay, so now we have to write the implementations for all the four methods. So void, I'll make it as public void start. I'll just write print statements that Toyota started, and then another print statement, public void for the stop, that Toyota stopped. So I can write it here, Toyota stopped, and then public void accelerate. So I can write Toyota car accelerates, and then another method, public void brake, and then we can write Toyota has brakes. So now I'll create the object for this Toyota class. So I have created a Toyota car. So let it be T equals new Toyota. This will create as a new car. Now I'll call all these methods for this object. So T dot start, T dot accelerate, T dot brake, here it must be brake, and T dot stop. So these are all the methods. So let's quickly run the file and check. So for that I will just compile the file first, day13.java and java day13. So you can see we had got the print statements, Toyota started, Toyota car accelerates, has brakes, and stopped. So this is how inheritance works in interfaces, where we use the same extends keyword. So that's it for this video. Do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by VCode. Thank you for watching.